Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a mass of 101 kilograms. That is above the reference point, 21 meters. And the gravity is normal. We want to find the potential energy. Step 1, draw your free body diagram. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So we've got height, mass, gravity, so mgh or mgz in this case, and then potential energy, so it's capital P because we have the mass. Step 3, find the formula for potential energy, so mgz, sometimes it's mgh, so h being height, it just makes sense. Z is elevation. Okay, step 4, find the potential energy. So you just multiply mass by gravity by the elevation. So 101 kilograms multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 21 meters. Then multiply by your conversion factor to get kilojoules. So your potential energy is 20.81, rounded up to 2 decimal places, kilojoules. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent. If you never used snipping tool before, follow the instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, and then open the program. Once you have it open, click on video option, then click on new. Then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Then hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.